exploring the record upload media tool in the rich content editor. This is what I would call the slickest tool that they have. I'm really excited about it. It's located right here in the navigation. It's called record upload media. When I left click it, it's going to open up its own tab view where I can see the record media, or I can upload media that I might have already pre-recorded. When I go down, just so you can see, we've got mic. Right now, you do not see a level changing here. So when I left click on mic, I can go down and select my microphone. Now you can see that it is picking up my talking. You can see over here also webcam. I'm going to show you how to toggle between maybe your webcam on your computer and then maybe a document camera. So kind of starting off, I'm going to start a recording. You'll see a nice little countdown, and then I can do a welcome message. So for example, welcome to my reading class. Today we are going to read a picture book called Mr. Brown Can Moo, Can You? I can read through certain sections. I can ask kids questions. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. He can go like a cow. He can go moo moo. Okay. I could also pull up, for example, an infographic showing it about the SAMRE model of technology integration. And once you have completed your video, you can click this nice little finish button. And what it's going to do is allow you to save it. So I'm going to save this as using the record feature. Okay. And I will click the save button. Okay. Once I click save, I can click this nice little X here. You will not see, for example, an upload button, which might make you panic. But when I click this nice little X, you're going to see that it's going to start putting my information right here. Currently, this icon is showing that the link will be replaced with a preview icon for the embedded media. Okay. What I'm going to do real quick is make sure that I scroll down on my page and click the save button, just so that nothing happens to that video. And right now it's being processed. Welcome message. So for example, welcome to my reading class. Today we are going to read a picture book called Mr. Brown Can Moo, Can You? So you can see that I can now use the recorded video to kind of showcase to the students and to be a little bit more personal with them with the content that we're covering in class. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to that record upload media. And I'm going to turn my microphone back on. But I'm going to go over to the right-hand side where you see webcam now. And I'm going to toggle it to my document camera. What you now see is my desk area or a piece of paper. I'm going to click Start Recording. And from here, I could do, for example, some math examples for kids. For example, 12 times 13. I could talk to the kids about the different methods. We could do traditional and set it up traditionally. We could set it up with partial products and do 10 times 10, 10 times 3, 2 times 10, 2 times 3. I can model the different problem-solving techniques with the problems, but this is another way that you can then utilize the record upload media button and turn it into something where I can now showcase how to problem solve with kids and then ask them to go through the process with their work. Once again, you want to make sure that you click the finish button. It is great to save it so that you know exactly what it is and it can be retrieved later, but this might be partial products. I click save, make sure that it's saved, and then what I can do is I can make sure that I then click my nice little X here, and it's going to be inserted into the rich content editor. So as you can see, that second video is now populated right below the first. When I go in and click the save button, it will then bring me back to that nice little page where you now will see the two videos. One feature that I did notice that I am not able to do is I cannot go into the controls of my document camera through this feature here. And for example, alter the view of it, meaning I cannot rotate the camera. I have to physically set up my document camera in a way that it will pick it up with my writing, so it's not upside down or it's not rotated in the wrong dimensions. Now I can also use this feature and I can go to the Record Upload Media button, but now click Upload Media. And this is going to bring me to the capabilities of selecting just audio files or selecting video files. When I select the video files, it's going to bring me to my computer, and I can then go through, find the video or the audio file, and upload it straight into my video. So for example, I can go to where I know I've got videos with Camtasia. I can grab one for exploring the Learn section, and where I see my video here, I can double click it. It's going to then go through the process of uploading it in, and then once it completes this, I'll be able to submit the media file. I then go to save, and you'll be able to see that the video is also now embedded as the third choice. Thank you.